Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Naked Brand Group, and this is what you're looking on your screen is the daily chart. Now this chart is very interesting because although it's like a penny stock, and you can see these kind of moves pretty much in most of the stocks or almost in lots of stock, and here in this case the stock has already risen by 300%. But the interesting thing in this case is the volume. So the volume is in billions, so this stock has been traded very heavily, and which makes this stock, or which gives this stock an extra impetus. So the probability of moving higher will be far more. Okay, so we are not going to discuss how long it could go, that let the price decide. So let the stock decide how long it want to go, but through trend we can probably guess some of the important support or resistance level through which it should pass. Okay, so first of all, as I told you, we are looking at a daily chart. So the volatility which you can see is going to be high because if it is a weekly or monthly chart, obviously that's much more stable than the daily chart. But obviously when the trend turns, it will give you that sense that if you give it will give you the sense that price is going to move and move very sharply. Okay, so that's the thing you need to understand here. Now just understand the trend. So this is the support level, okay, which the stock has made, or probably the last support level. So the first thing to understand here is this, that if the stock falls below 0.069, obviously one need to close their position. That's what one should do. There is no other option left. Okay. Now coming to this level, this was the previous support which will now act as a resistance. So the next target one should look for in this particular stock, or the resistance, will be at 0.40. Okay, now if the stock sustains above that, if the stock sustains above 0.40, then in that case, in that case the next target, or the next level, or the levels which will open for this stock, will be in between 2.65 and 3.1. Okay, beyond that, if it sustain above that like 3.2 and above, then the levels which one should look at will be 7.2. Okay, after that you have couple of levels. So I will not go beyond a certain limit, that's for sure. The So after 7.2, you will have your next target or resistance at $13, followed by you have $28, and finally for the time being $57. Okay, so as you can see, there are multiple levels, and the levels will expand, and so does the price as well as the return. Because even though I am saying 57, but for the stock to move from the current price to towards this $57, it requires the stock to move around 18,000 or 19,000%. But that's the thing, we don't know whether it will go or not. What we know is the trend, or the current trend which is on the upside. Okay, now looking at this current trend, we can say that what are our next targets or resistance be. Now what one need to do here, one need to be very cautious if they are taking the position, because the stock has already moved by 300%. So the risk reward ratio may not be favorable, but this looks like us, because technically these three candles, green candles, will give you an indication that the trend will be positive and will be positive for next couple of days or weeks. Okay, that's what the indication is right now. But it's better to look for support and resistance and always use stop losses so that one can minimize the risk as well as save some of the profits. Okay, so here although I have explained lots of levels, but remember each and every level has their own support and resistance, so trail and mark your stop losses every day. If possible, every day you need to do that, and specifically when you are looking at a short term trend. Okay, that's very important to do. And one more thing, even though I would like to add here, even though the last support is around 0.069, if one wants an immediate support they can use this level. Okay, 0.14, because this acts as a resistance even for a very short period, but this acts as a resistance, so it will now act as a support probably. But there are lots of levels looking, and this is based on the reference or the kind of movements we have seen in lots and lots of stocks traded in the US market. So we can say that we don't know how far it will go. The stocks can move to x n to the power x or x to the power n, whatever you can say. But the thing is whether you should understand this, understand your risk, and then think about your profit. Okay, it's not like if the stock is going up, if you are lucky enough you will ride the momentum, and if you are lucky enough at exit also you will get the exit at a handsome amount of profit. But that's not happening every time. That's what one need to know here. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.